Hello, hello. So let's look at the next video wherein we talk about logging signals into files and being able to also store simulation results in, let's say, text files, CSV, and .dat files. How do you go about doing that in TwinSimulate? What we'll do today is look at you know choosing some of the signals from a simulation marker and then writing them out to a file. And we don't stop there. We also look at how do we take these stored results like these, or even data that is available already, and play it back for simulation. Let's get started. Let's look at some of the signals and pick them up. So let's say you have a sine, you also have a pulse generator, and let's first block them out to see how they work together. In addition to that, what we'll do is go to the input category and the output category, and drag and drop this plug called toFile. You can then select the number of inputs that you want to have for that particular block and connect them out. Voila, you're ready. And let's select a place where you want to put this data. So let's call it data from simulation. And let's select the text file format and save it. Okay, so now let's run this out and see what happens. The simulation runs, and I assume the data should be available. Let's look at this. Let's edit it here. Can get to the file from here. Let's open it and see. Yeah, we have three columns. The first column being the time, the second column being the signal here, which is a sine table, and then the third one is actually the lamp, as you can see. The pulse generator. It's pulsing between 1 and 0s nicely. Good, it seems to be working. Now let's do something. Let's play the results back from the file. So let's create a new diagram. This time go into the input category, look for a block called fromFile, as the name suggests. Let's select the file that we want to read. It's on our desktop. You can decide to actually skip the time column, or for whatever purposes you need, you can also have the time column if you need. You can also decide to loop the data back. When it finishes the whole file, you can go back to the first data point and start playing. In case you want to have simulations, use them in a loop. So let's leave the defaults there. We know that we have two columns, so let's do this. And let's increase the outputs to 2. We're all set. Let's plot them out and see how it works. Okay, and then let's run simulations. Well, you have the results back. So that's it. So you have a nice way to log signals into the files, and then also playback files and use them as inputs inside the simulation. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. There are more videos coming ahead. Bye.